আজকের অনুষ্ঠানের উদ্বোধক করধ্বংস মহাশয়ের হাতে পুষ্পস্তবক দিয়ে সম্মানিত করছেন। উত্তরীয় পরিয়ে বরণ করে নিচ্ছে
special guest, Sri Purupur Das sir, and all the guests of honor, Sri Sanjit Devarma sir. We are thrilled to have all the esteemed guests, teachers, and students who are joining us today in the
Who is the biology teacher here? Single flex এটা কি দিছে স্যার এটা অ্যাকচুয়ালি স্যার লাগে মাইক্রোস্কোপ পুরো না মানে আমরা যে পরিবেশের যে প্রাকৃতিক সম্পদ আছে মানে কি জিনিস কি দিছে এই তো এখানে যা যা আছে স্যার বাইরে তিনটা হ্যাঁ ওপেন মাইক্রোস্কোপ আছে তারপর এক্সপেরিয়েন্স আছে I'm not an academician and I'm not specialized in life science and biology, biotechnology, whatever it is. But I do have a friends. मेरा दोस्त लोग था पहले when I was in Silchar. They are in Assam University. They are doing their MSc there. And when they have gone for their research, they are doing PhD in some are in biological science. So they are basically from the science. So they used to demonstrate me how the microscopy things, how to connect the gene with another gene, and how to research. So their research article was on new species of plant, which is only available in Northeast. So that's where I came to learn about this life science, how to connect genes, how to mix genes and create another plant. So that time I felt very interested. Oh, ऐसा भी होता है. Before I did not know. So I was so much interested and I have asked them that आप लोग state के लिए क्या कर सकता हो? Then I told them, if you can demonstrate in every school with all the equipments, whatever they have, because they need to buy equipments for that. So I told them, and they have agreed with me. But unfortunately, they got job and they did not get time for this. But I was expecting them to go to schools and teach all the students who are interested. So thankfully now DNA Club is there. And to all the students, this DNA Club will give you chance to save the environment, to save the planet, to learn new things. आप लोगों के लिए एक बहुत अच्छी मौका है ये. You all can go research, field work, study about science, taking care of the biodiversity, and all the research work which PhD student will do or the MSc student will do. You all can practice in DNA Club. So this will be a step for you, so that in future when you go to higher education, higher studies, you all can apply the experience from here. So you be prepared, you take interest in this DNA Club, and I thank Directorate of it's a council, Biotechnology Council, and Directorate of Education for selecting this school. This school has a very renowned mark. So I'm very much happy, and to the HM also, thank you so much for leading the school. This school has a name, so let the legacy continue. And to all the teachers, I thank you all so much. In spite of having so much of inconvenience, you all are doing your duty. I know the teacher-student ratio is unmatched, yet still you all continue to fulfill your duty. And the infrastructure is also not very good. And for this, I think that will be my part of intervention. So I will be taking part of it. And today itself, I will be proposing for one boundary wall, because there's a demand from the agency also. SMC has demand that actually the school looks very bad without boundary wall, because many small children are there, kids are there. They should be protected. Yeah, so this is my message to all the students. आप लोग बड़े होकर स्टेट का स्टेक होल्डर बनना, क्योंकि आपके पास बड़ा गाड़ी बड़ा बंगला हो सकता है, अगर सिस्टम में खराबी है तो आप लोग भी फ्रस्ट्रेट हो जाओगे। इसलिए बी ए गुड ह्यूमन, बी ए गुड एम्प्लॉयज, बी ए गुड bureaucrats, and be a good human. Thank you so much.